Do you know that brown chocolates can help reduce menstrual cramps? Yes, brown chocolates. I know you find this hard to believe, but this is true. Research has shown that due to their high magnesium content, they can help reduce menstrual cramps. Hello viewers at home, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, welcome to Quinty's World, where I talk on health, personal growth and development, pharmacy school experiences and trivial female related health issues. To watch my previous and subsequent videos, click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. In this video, I'll continue from where I stopped in my last video. In my last video, I talked on dysmenorrhea, menstrual cramps, the types and the causes. In this video, I'll be telling you how to manage dysmenorrhea, most especially primary dysmenorrhea, and things to avoid while menstruating to avoid having cramps. So the first way to manage dysmenorrhea, to relieve it, to make it less severe, because it's almost impossible to cure cramps, most especially the ones due to natural causes, but you can manage them, you can make them less severe. So the first thing I'll be talking about is taking medications. Yes, there are certain drugs that you can use to relieve menstrual cramps. The first one is pain relievers like paracetamols. You can use them to relieve menstrual cramps. You can also use muscle relaxants like buscopan, and also non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen can be used to manage cramps, to relieve the pain. But it's advisable that you don't use drugs like ibuprofen for too long, because research has shown that prolonged usage of drugs like ibuprofen, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen, can cause reversible infertility, that is temporary infertility. This is because they are prostaglandins inhibiting medications. Their mechanism of reaction is such that they act to inhibit cyclooxygenase, which is an enzyme that catalyzes the secretion of prostaglandins in the body. Remember that prostaglandins are important mediators for ovulation, implantation, and placentation of fetus. So it's advisable that women that are trying to conceive abstain from using NSAIDs. They can use other medications, and if you don't want to use drugs, there are other things that you can do, which I'll be explaining in this video. Another thing you can do is use eating pad. You can use eating pad, or and if you don't have a eating pad, you can get a plastic bottle, pour a warm water inside and get a piece of cloth, tie it round the bottle, then place it on your tummy. It can help relieve menstrual cramps. You can also have a warm shower. Also, you can engage in aerobic exercises like walking, cycling, and the likes, because your respiratory system helps to inactivate substance like prostaglandins in the body. Remember, prostaglandins are primary cause of primary dysmenorrhea. So when you engage more in aerobic exercises, your respiratory system becomes more active and they help you to inactivate prostaglandins. Another way to relieve or to reduce menstrual pain is eating fruits like banana, avocado, and vegetables as well. Because of their high magnesium content, they can help relieve menstrual cramps. The last thing I'm talking about is eating chocolates, brown chocolates. Yes, brown chocolates. They help relieve menstrual cramps. This is due to their high magnesium content. But remember, it's brown chocolates, and do not take it excessively. Take it moderately. Excessive intake of chocolates can also cause cramps. So brown chocolate, but make sure it is in minimal quantity. It is not too much. It is moderate. It's something I've tried before that have worked for me. If you are watching this video and you do have severe cramps, you can try this out and share your experience with us in the comment section. So the last thing I'll be talking about today is things to avoid while menstruating to avoid having cramps. So what are those things? The first thing is I'll be talking about is intake of dairy products. Eating dairy products. You should avoid eating dairy products while menstruating. This is because they contain what we call arachidonic acid. This arachidonic acid are omega-6 fatty acid that can increase inflammation, and this can worsen your cramps. So it's advisable that we abstain, we avoid dairy products like milk, cheese, yogurt and the likes while menstruating. Another thing to avoid is food that contains caffeine. Excessive intake of coffee, coffee contains caffeine. Excessive intake of coffee or any other food that contains caffeine can cause vasoconstriction. That is the narrowing of the blood vessels, and that can cause cramps. Another thing to avoid is food with high salt content. This can cause bloating. It can cause food with high salt content contains sodium ions, and when you take it in, when you eat too much salt, when you eat food with too much salt, they allow your body to retain more water. Excessive intake of fatty foods like fatty meats should be avoided while menstruating. This is because they cause the increase in the secretion of prostaglandins in the body. Remember, prostaglandins are the cause of primary dysmenorrhea. Also, you should avoid using douches. Those are like vaginal wash and waxing and shaving while menstruating. Also, avoid excessive intake of chocolate, like I said earlier. If you're going to eat chocolate, eat dark chocolate and make sure it's not too much. Excessive intake of chocolate can cause cramps for you. So this is all about that. That's all I'll be talking on today. In this video, I've been able to tell you how to manage cramps, the drugs to use, things to do. So ladies in the house, I hope we've learned one or two things on how to manage cramps. And I hope that from now on we would experience a cramps-free flu. And also, if you have any questions for me, you can ask in the comment section. And if you enjoy watching this video, hit the like button, comment in the comment section, and also share to your friends and family, especially those that you feel that they need to watch this video. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next